question. Do you feed him?
So,
Salt air and the rust on your door. I never needed anything more.
Sure, did you call? Did we have already talked? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know.
Don't tell me the couch is right here. No, this is the middle table. That's.
Alright, it's the second day now. First day at our cottage was pretty good, went pretty smoothly. We managed to, avoid the rain at our campsite, which was our goal in coming to a cottage the first night. So we're gonna be heading to the campsites hopefully during lunch-ish time or something like that, and set up there, and then we'll be actually camping for the rest of the trip, hopefully. It's a very beautiful place though, it's a good experience. I'm excited to get into the camp though. I'm trying to make this video interesting, so hopefully it's not boring. It's a nice shirt, okay? Morning, Java. Alright, we pretty much got the camp all set up finally. So, about to bike into town.
Yeah, and then once everything's in, I
Oh, they're literally right there. Oh.
Coming of age is come and gone. Suddenly this summer it's clear. I never had the courage of my convictions, as long as danger is near. And it's just around the corner, darling, 'cause it lives in me. No, I could never give you peace.
You could put it on the other one now.
Alright, it's the third day now of our vacation. So we spent the first night at a cabin, and yesterday we had a family debacle on whether or not we were going to stay another night at the cabin or come to the campsite. Me and Mary and Maggie wanted to come to the campsite, and everyone else wanted to stay at the cabin, so it was a heated debate, but we got there in the end. We eventually managed to coerce them into letting us come here, set up, and then stay here last night, so we stayed at the camp. It was a wonderful night. I love sleeping in a tent. It's just such a beautiful experience. And now it's a very lovely morning. So today we're at the campsite. They're going to show up here from the cabin at some point. We're just going to have a quiet morning here. Then we're going to go get coffee and everything. So it's beautiful.
Mary, did you hear me?
Betty, I won't make assumptions about why you switched your homeroom, but I think it's 'cause of me. Betty, one time I was riding on my skateboard when I passed your house. It's like I couldn't breathe. You heard the rumors from Inez. You can't believe
Put your hand out of the way.
They would accidentally hit us.
I'm breathing back and wide, let it through. Caught by your leaded eyes, let them fool. But I don't know where we went. My dear, don't unfold me. I call it all pretend. Be here and be holy. I don't know where we went. My dear, don't unfold me. I'm calling it again in you. Scream where my red was it don't wear your winning prize. Let it fool. But I don't know where we went. My dear, don't unfold me. I call it all pretend. Be here and be holy. I don't know where we went. My dear, don't unfold me. I call it Je te laisse en dessous de ta part, en dessous de la mur qui chante, tout près de la place où tes pieds passent, cachés dans les trous.